What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I start my raw foods journey for a little while. So if you want to see what I ate today and what I made, feel free to continue watching, and I hope that you enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to show you all how to make this quick and easy yet flavorful sub oil that just complements any wrap, any sandwich. I'm a fan of Subway. If you know me, you would know that I love me some Subway. And you know how they have the option you can put oil, vinegar, and then they used to have this garlic oil, but they discontinued it. So this is like combined into one bottle, plus some other stuff that I love to use. So let's get it going. So to start, I have a garlic bulb. This one I already kind of used, so I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of it too. I don't even think I'm going to need this much. But what you want to do is just cut off the top part of it. So just cut that on off. Don't be shy. And then you want it to look like this, all of the heads exposed. Same with this one. All the heads exposed. We can get rid of that. I'll take this. Boom. Oil. A little bit of olive oil. Drizzle it on there. And then some salt. I get so nervous when I'm shaking it like this. I'll be like, oh, I hope a lot don't come out. Here's some natural sea salt. And pepper. Okay. You just want to massage it in there a little bit. Get it all in there. On the outside, inside. Oops. And wrap it on up tightly. My oven just went off. It's set at 400 degrees. And I'm going to just toss this in like a little shallow pan. And I'm going to bake it for probably like, we'll check on it like 30-40 minutes, alright? Okay, so I have this small little bottle. I think I just got it from like Target. It's a pack of 3 at Target. If you're interested, it's a squeeze bottle. And I am going to do half vinegar, half EVOO. I know it doesn't mix. I don't really care, because every time you use it, you're gonna just want to shake it up. That's all. So go ahead. And this is red wine vinegar. Oregano. I'm eyeballing this. I just go into my ancestors telling me to say stop, you know. I think that's good. It's starting to become one of my favorite seasonings. Celery salt. Like, goodness. Maybe if I keep the top on. Yeah, that's a little bit better. But yeah, I love celery salt. It just adds a different dimension of flavor. And you don't need that much, really. With this and in general. Oh my gosh, also one of my favorite seasonings, this. I put this on almost anything. Like, and it's not even gonna make it taste all that jerk if you don't use a lot. But this hypes up anything. Like, I cannot make this up. I'm gonna take the lid off for this one. Oh man, just try it. One time I seen it at like, I was like at a convenience store, like a liquor store, but it was like one of them stores that had everything, like in Chicago, and it had seasonings there, and I seen it, and it was like $1.39. Girl, when I tell you I grabbed 3, girl, boy, sorry, I grabbed 3 of them. I was too excited. And then lastly, this is one of my staples. You will always, darn near, always see me use this. I'm sorry, Tony Chacheres. I don't know how that's pronounced it, but yeah, I love this seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of this too, just a teensy bit though, because I feel like I've done a lot. And then a little bit of pepper. So now all I'm waiting on is my garlic to be done, and that's going to be the last thing I add to this. And this will be complete. So once it's done, I will get back. I'll show you what I do to it for the last step. In the meantime, it's looking real good. Look at all them herbs and seasonings. So yes, we're going to get into it real soon to finish this off. Alright, see you then. Alright y'all, it is time for the main attraction. So for lunch today, I'm having like a garden veggie Greek wrap. Now I do know for a raw foods diet, you're not supposed to be eating any type of wraps, breads, whatever, any baked goods. But listen, I am new to this and not true to this. So I feel like I needed some type of wrap in my life while I'm trying this raw foods journey. So just bear with me. So I'm using a red pepper hummus as the base of my wrap. I've never even had hummus before, but it's pretty delicious. I will say that. So I give it a go. So I'm just going to spread that on there with a spoon. And it's also acting as a glue for when I wrap everything all together. So for my toppings, I cut up some fresh spinach, cucumbers, red bell peppers, banana peppers, olives, and lastly, I don't know if you can see, but my red onions are soaked in like a cup of water. So the reason why I soaked it in water is because it helps eliminate that strong onion flavor, so you can still enjoy the taste of the onion, but you won't have to worry about onion breath afterwards. So that's why I'm pounding it on right here, baby, because I love onions, but the aftermath is just not pretty. So yes, I'm piling everything on. Now that all of my toppings are on there, this is the end product of the roasted garlic. It took exactly 40 minutes at 400 degrees, like I told y'all. And this is what it should look like. So now I'm going to squeeze all of the juice out of there, or as much as juice that I can get, into the bottom. And then I'm going to kind of pull it apart, and I'm going to take the bulbs and part of the shells, it doesn't matter, and I'm going to stuff it all into the bottle. That is my end result. Isn't that beautiful? So now, before placing it on my sub, shake it on up, and ooh, look at that. Look at that. Delicious. So the way I'm deciding to wrap it after trial and error is just to roll it really tightly. See how I'm tugging the ingredients inside, and I'm rolling it. And then when I get towards the final roll, I'm going to add some more hummus at the top to act as a glue once again, to hold everything together. So roll it all the way to the end, and then tuck the ends on both sides, and it should be stable enough to cut it, and it shouldn't unroll. All right, so I'm just going to cut this right down the middle. And there you have it, a Greek hummus veggie wrap. Now, I would say this is like snack size. It's like a little protein wrap that's perfect before you go work out. I ate it like 30 minutes before I went to the gym, and I felt perfectly energized and ready to go. Now, if you want this to be a lunch, then I would recommend getting the full tortilla size wrap. Oh, and I almost forgot. So I found these cauliflower tortilla Dorito looking chips right at Aldi's, y'all. Aldi's is really stepping their game up when it comes to vegan products, so don't sleep on them. Also, I found these at the regular store. I have yet to try both, but these are a nice little side to go with it. Just thought I'd show you all what I bought. So I'm sitting here with less than a half a cup of walnuts. I was so excited because I had seen this little recipe or whatever on Pinterest, and I'm like, yep, that's the one. That's the one. We're gonna do the walnut tacos tonight. And I got here and this is what I have. So I'll tell you what, let's just improvise, and whatever happens, happens. This is not good. I was gonna try to do that walnut taco thing, and then I realized we ain't got no walnuts. You do? Well, we got some. I got like a half a cup. So I don't know if it's gonna work with the chickpeas.
I mean, it's you might not go get some. I can go get some.
So moving on to my makeshift vegan sour cream. Most people use cashews, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this tofu recipe that I came up with. This is my first time making sour cream, and quite frankly, I am starving right now. So whatever it comes out to be, this is just my first trial. So next time, I'm gonna show you all a different way to make it, and we're just gonna see how it goes. But as you can see, these are my main 4 ingredients that I'm using. I'm just gonna throw it all in my food processor and blend until smooth. Okay, as you can see, the consistency isn't half bad. So I'm gonna throw it in the refrigerator and it should thicken up some more. Now these are my walnuts that I soaked in like a beef broth, quote unquote, and a little bit of liquid smoke. So you're gonna add all of your taco ingredients into your food processor. I have soy sauce, olive oil, taco seasoning, and nutritional yeast. I added a little bit more soy, and I'm gonna post it, not blend, but make sure you post it, and then scrape the sides, taste it, post again, and just repeat. Keep repeating until you get the consistency that you're looking for. And you can add in whatever you want, whatever you feel it needs taste wise, just go ahead and add it. This is my first time making this, so I'm looking at the consistency of it. I'm pretty impressed. It's pretty cool. I don't know who thought of this idea, but it's pretty awesome. I like it. So this is my end product. It literally looks like ground turkey to me. Like, this is crazy, man, and it tastes pretty good. So here I am throwing on all of my toppings, and I'm about to dig in after this video. So all I ate today was my protein wraps. This is for dinner, and I'm not gonna lie, I had some animal crackers in between. I had like 5 animal crackers, and I realized I don't like animal crackers anymore, so yeah. But I only drank water today as well. So these 2 meals were what I ate today. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any recipes that you love to eat on a raw foods diet, and comment down below. Like, subscribe, whatever you may feel like doing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.